Hey guys, it's Ron here, and I'm actually pretty excited. I'm going to be meeting with Andrew from Autel Robotics. He's bringing me the Evo. We're going to fly it. We also got a Mavic Pro, and we're going to compare the both. So stay tuned, and happy flying. All right guys, here we go, side by side. Right next to each other, we have the Evo and the Mavic. And guys, the Evo is quieter. The Mavic is just a higher pitched sound. The gimbal is the big thing. The gimbal on the Evo is just much more sturdy. Let's go check this out. Guys, this Evo is super solid, it's super sturdy. When this thing comes out, guys, you guys are going to be amazed.